For the very first time, ODM Disciplinary Committee was opened to members of the media. Rebel ODM members were expected to appear before the committee, with the main complainant, Migori Senator Eddie Gisheru, also present with his counsel. But Gisheru made it clear that he was uncomfortable with the choice of lawyer Harvey, sent to represent members seeking to distance themselves from the accusations leveled against them. Gisheru argued that the party's constitution does not allow advocates not allied to the party to represent clients on such matters pertaining to the internal issues of the party.
I feel violated when we discuss our internal issues, and we have got a lot of respected strangers in our house as we discuss this issue.
The constitution gives me a right to hire a lawyer. I have not seen any part of the constitution that states that that particular lawyer must be long. What if I got a lawyer who is not a member of any political party?
It will be a blunted violation and contravention of the Constitution of Kenya and the Advocates Act to require of the 5 of us to produce our identification cards for purposes of ascertaining whether we are members of ODM.
Harvey is a member of UDA and represented Elisha Odhiambo, Mark Nyamita and Karoli Omondi, who had vowed to work with President Ruto, despite the warning from the party leader Raila Odinga.
There is nowhere in these procedures that it speaks to that the advocate on record for myself must be a member of the party.
The committee said that Harvey was not eligible to represent the said members.
You are appearing, we appreciate that you are here. You appear by yourself.
A move that did not go down well with MP Mark Nyamita, whose session the media had been allowed to film.
At that next stage,
heated arguments between the chair and the legislator ensued.
Please comply and come back with yourself. Come back yourself, or with yourself. Come back with the advocate and all next friend who has the relevant, appropriate credentials in terms of party affiliation.
Why do you want to take the next stage in camera? If you are fair, why are you? No, but then before we go to that camera stage, I want it to be known, Chair, that number one, I cannot come with advocates. You send them all away, and you're asking me to appoint. What time is that lawyer going to prepare?
We'll take a break if you insist. We want it to continue, but we'll take a break if you insist on disrupting this meeting.
I'm not disrupting.
The supremacy of the constitution, again that of the party, appeared to be the main contention.
They have gone further and now said that I'm being given 7 minutes to identify a lawyer who is an ODM member so that we file submission within 7 minutes. That is not in order.
If you haven't read the constitution of the ODM, that means that you're not a member, even yourself, you're not a member of ODM. So I think that maybe in my read of mischief, I can see a mischief whereby the honorable members who are in this case are trying to stage or lay a ground to further these conversations beyond the committee.
Nairobi Women Rep Esther Passaris appeared before the committee through virtual means.
But I have a right to be heard.
4 others are expected to appear before the disciplinary committee on Tuesday, but the accused members, all represented by the same lawyer, are already decrying that the committee was not being fair in the process that may lead to severe repercussions. The committee is expected to forward its resolution to the National Executive Committee. If the committee approves the expulsion of the accused, the National Governing Council will have to ratify the decision to kick the members out.
We have had at least 2 members being physically and personally present, and some members sent advocates. The rest, other members who are expected to be here, sent advocates, and we are proceeding well with the disciplinary hearings.
Martin Opio, K24 TV, Nairobi.